Hello everyone, it's Ahsan here. How are you guys? It's been a long. I uploaded last video in my channel. I used to upload videos all the Mondays in every week, but for some reasons I had to stop. But I'm starting back again. And today I will be presenting you the new Windows 11. I'm using 11 for a couple of days. So I will be sharing you the new features, the new looks of Windows 11. Keep in mind this video is not about the in-depth review of Windows 11 because I cannot judge the Windows 11 from using my experiences for now, as it's not the final version yet. The final version will be released around end of this year. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first question you should be asking, how you will be able to install the official version of Windows 11 in your computer right now. This is very simple and straightforward. Go to your start menu and write Windows Insider. You will see Windows Insider program settings. Go into that. Here you can see it's asking you to get started. Join the Windows Insider program. If you press get started, it will load for a while, and for the first time it will ask you to sign up. So I am showing you the sign up process. Submit. It will ask you to link your account. So I am going to link this account. Here it will ask you to pick the insider settings, a dev, beta, or the release preview. If you want to install the Windows 11 Insider program, then you should keep the dev channel settings, then confirm. It will ask you to restart your computer. So I am going to restart my computer. Once your restart is complete, again go into your start menu and look for Windows Insider program. But now you will see that you can pick your insider settings from your Windows Insider program menu. Make sure if you want to install the Windows 11 for now, you need to keep it in the dev channel settings. Now you all need to do, just simply go to your Windows update, check for update. It will start updating your Windows 11 Insider preview automatically. Just wait for a while. As you can see, my Windows 11 Insider preview is now downloading. It will take some time downloading and installing. I am skipping the videos from here as it will take some time, and I will be seeing you again once it downloaded and installed. So our Windows 11 Insider preview is already installed in our system. So now it's asking for restart. Our new installation is already started. Once it hit the 100% of the installation, the first type of fonts and the screen will be gone away. And this style is the new style of Windows 11. Hopefully all the Windows 11 installing screen will be exactly like this. At least the fonts will be like this. Our installation is almost finished. Logging in your system for the first time, it will take some time. I guess for my case it's taking almost a minute. And finally the Windows 11 is here. The icons and everything, they completely redesigned, and for me the new icons looks kinda good. And for the search option, it looks like this. Windows default web browser Microsoft Edge looks almost the same it used to look in Windows 10. If you right click on your desktop, you will be no longer seeing the refresh button, but if you press show more options, then you can still see the old styled right click options. Here you can do refresh. The new personalized screen is quietly changed. They have changed everything. Another new feature of Windows 11 is the widget screen. Now you can see all of your widgets in this option. The new multitasking screen is just mind-blowing. Here you can go into 4:4. That means you can use 4 applications at the same time. Or if you want to work in a big screen at the left side and you want to put 2 small windows at the right side, you can do that. And again, if you want, you can still go back to the 4x4 window. Even though your Windows Start menu key is positioned center of the taskbar, you can still move it to the left corner. Just right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings. Here you can see taskbar behaviors. Click this and you will get taskbar alignment. By default, it's in center. If you press left, and it will be going to the left corner as we always used to access before. Again, if I want to press it on the center, then it will come back on the center. I kind of like the center oriented new design. I find this is kind of modern. Even though it still looks similar to macOS, but I find it quite sufficient and modernized. One exciting update I got in Windows 11 is getting back all the games we used to play in Windows XP, Vista or Windows 7. The card games are named as Solitaire. So here you can play all the games. They have added a new games. It's called Clone Diki. You can play Spider, Free Call, Pyramid, Tripigs. These are all the card games. Again, if you want, you can still download more games from here. Another mysterious thing, maybe some of you are wondering that Microsoft already announced you can access Android apps in your Windows. But from my experience, I couldn't access the Android apps for now. Maybe it will take some time, maybe in the final version which will be released in the last of this year. Let me show you. If you try to install the Android apps for now, what will happen. In the Microsoft reveal video, they installed TikTok. So let me try to find if there is any TikTok of Android version available in store or not. There is no other versions available, so I am going to straight away download the TikTok which is available right now. My download is finished. Let's launch it. As you can see, it's still the old version you could access using your Windows 10. Android apps is still not available from my experience in Windows 11, but you will be able to definitely access all the Android application while the final version will be released. Now let me show you how you will experience if you want to uninstall any software in new Windows 11. If you right click on the application, you can find the uninstall option, all the other settings as well. Again, you will be seeing this option at your right side. So I'm going to press uninstall and confirm. The most disgusting feature I got in Windows 11 is this thing. If you uninstall something, you will not able to see any progress, which is quite depressing. Thank you everyone, and special thanks to those who have watched the video from beginning to this end without skipping any second. Thanks a lot. If you are okay with dealing with some bugs or maybe some unpleasant experience, you are good to go installing the Windows 11 Insider Preview. But if you are someone who wants the stable version, it's better wait, because the version I'm using right now, or many are using, the Windows 11 Insider Preview is not completely stable yet. So it's better to wait until the end of this year when the Windows 11 update rolling out. So that's all for today. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned. See you next Monday.